Welcome to Mathstoon. In this video, we will solve the linear equation 3x minus 1 is equal to 5. For more like this, please visit mathstoon.com or check the link given in the description box. Now let's start. This is our given linear equation. Now to separate the variable x and the constant terms, we will move negative 1 into the right hand side. Doing so, we will get 3x is equal to 5 plus 1. Here the sign negative will be positive. As 5 plus 1 is 6, we get 3x is equal to 6. Now as the coefficient of x is 3, to get the value of x we need to divide both sides by 3. By doing so we get 3x divided by 3 is equal to 6 divided by 3. See that 3 get cancelled and we get x, and as 6 divided by 3 is 2, so we get x is equal to 2 as our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video.